Main course lang ang bayad mo, libre na ang buffet? Paano yun? Nanubabo ka ba na yan? Welcome to 𝒓𝒐𝒏𝒕. Today, ipapakita namin sa inyo ang bagong buffet theme sa Midori Clark. Main course with free buffet access. Let's go! Starting March 1, 2026, Toscana Dining at Midori Clark Hotel and Casino launched their newest theme. Ito ang Hot Off the Grill. Dual dining experience to. Order a main course, libre na yung buffet. Pero paano nga ba naging super sulit? We went for a weekday dinner to experience this. Here's how it works. Step 1, choose your main course. Meron silang fish fillet, American pork ribs, half crispy golden chicken, beef bacon, Brazilian ribeye cubes, and US bone-in short ribs. Step number 2, while waiting for your main course, free access ka na sa buffet. Roughly around 30 plus dishes, appetizers, salad, hot dishes, soup, Japanese station, desserts, and drinks. Hotel grade quality yan ha guys. Step 3, main course arrives. It's sizzling hot, pour over pa yung gravy, fresh off the grill talaga. They served us half crispy golden chicken, US bone-in short ribs, and Brazilian ribeye cubes. Stand out sa amin yung Brazilian ribeye cubes, super sulit. My recommendation for first timers, go for this one. But was the US bone-in short ribs worth it? Super premium quality kasi. Parang ang amount is just for one main dish. Pero yung available, sobrang dami. Sulit na sulit. Or kung gusto mo naman ay buffet only, 799 pesos lang yan without the main course. Toscana dining ambience, it's not too fancy, casual, family friendly, and romantic din for couples. May space pa for walk-ins nung nag-visit kami. If you're interested to know more, check out their Facebook page to know more about their service time, seat availability, and other inquiries. Do you want tips? Come hungry! Focus on one main course, pero try everything sa buffet. Midori Clark Hotel and Casino, hot off the grill. Book now at Toscana Dining, drop sulit sa comments, tag your foodie crew, and save this para sa next buffet adventure ninyo. See you there!